Okay, so some of you have asked me how to open the HP 600 1000. So I'm making a video for you guys. It's actually quite a challenge because there's a lot of parts that you have to remove before you get to the screws. Some of the screws are pretty accessible. Well, the first thing we want to do is take the base out. So we're gonna remove the screw over here. And we actually need to slide this cover down, and then it comes off, right? And now we have to remove our base out of the PC. I gotta there's 4 screws. So we take that out. Now there's 4 screws. There's one over here, one over here, one over here, and one over here. So we're gonna get to those right now. Okay. Now I want to show you guys, there's these little things, clamps, that we need to take out. Just gonna pull them off. Let me show you what they look like. You just pull them out. Right? Both sides. There's another one. Okay, now there's a cover over here. We need to take that out too. Just gonna pull it over here, take it out. And there's a few screws on the side over here that you take out. Alright. That's it. Alright. Let's see. Okay, so now we can remove the sides. Over here, let me show you. The trims over here, they come out both sides. So what I want to do is pull them gently. Be careful with this because they're easy to break. Yeah, little by little. See? Start from the top or the bottom. Don't start from the middle. And then just kind of go along You can use your fingers. See? Now use your fingers to pull it out until it comes out. Just be very careful, because it's very easy to break it. Alright, so after you take the sides off, you'll see that you have about 3 screws on each side you gotta take out. Right, and now we go to the other side. Okay. So now we're ready to remove the cover on the back. Now, there's a trick, because you have a camera over here, this little thing up on top. So just kind of pull the bottom first. Very gentle. Oh, and actually I forgot, we actually need to remove this part over here first before we do that. And for this one, you're just gonna pull it. Okay. And now we can actually remove it. Yeah, make sure you remove that before you try to remove the cover. And so we got the back cover out. That was actually the hardest part of the job. After you get the back cover out, then you can start by removing the screws around this cover over here. You can actually pull this one out too if you want to. So there are several screws around this, it's easy to spot them. This is the back cover for your RAM memory. If you want to take it out. Now we have to take the ones from here. And there's one more over here. So there's a few screws over here that you have to remove. There's actually one over here too. Okay, just make sure they take them all out and this cover just comes off. So that's pretty much it. You know, after you get in, you can clean your fans or, you know, make any repairs that you need to. Well, I hope this video helped you to learn how to open it. It's not that hard. It has a lot of screws. Also, if you want to go into the motherboard, just make sure that you're wearing the anti-static bracelet before you go into the board. Other than that, that's pretty much it. You know, there are many models that are similar to this one. I believe the 300, 600 this is 600, and then the 300. There may be one or two more models that look just like this one, and yeah, they pretty much have the same configuration as far as the cover and screws. Yeah, but that's pretty much it. So I hope this video helped you guys to get your repairs done. Thanks for watching.